Hi, my name is Clinton with GrimmSpeed, and I'm going to be walking you through the installation of the GrimmSpeed 2015 Plus WRX pulley cover. This is a relatively easy installation and should only take about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll need a 10mm socket, a 5mm Allen wrench, and a flathead screwdriver. The first step will be to remove the large plastic engine cover. There are two pop clips at the top of the engine cover. Use your flathead screwdriver to pry both of these clips. Once both clips are loose, grab the bottom of the cover and lift up. This will undo the two bottom clips so you can remove the cover completely. With the cover removed, you will have access to the metal bracket underneath. You will need to remove this bracket to install your new GrimmSpeed pulley cover. Grab your 10mm socket and locate the two 10mm screws holding the bracket on. Loosen these screws and remove the bracket. With the bracket off, we can start the install. Grab the bag of included hardware. There should be 2 screws, 2 washers, and 2 black zinc-coated spacers. Start with a short screw and spacer. Place the spacer on top of the open mounting hole, then carefully align the cover. Now find the long spacer and align it with the front mounting hole. Align everything and use your 5mm Allen wrench to tighten the screws. And there you have it. The GrimmSpeed pulley cover for the 2015 Plus Subaru WRX, available in both red and black.